What's up, guys? You want to know a secret? A secret on why appliance repair and service businesses, they're boring. They are really boring. But at the end of the day, I don't care because it makes money. What's up, everybody? It's your boy, Marcus the Money Man. And in this video, I'm going to break down why a boring business can be a great business. So watch the video, give it a like, subscribe, and hope you enjoy. Welcome to the Appliance Boss channel. So if you run an appliance repair business, a plumbing business like I do, whether it's HVAC, handyman, whatever you're doing out there, electrical, I tell you, after doing it so long, especially if you're just the owner and you're sitting in the office, it can be boring.
Yeah,
you're doing the
facts,
same
man.
stuff over and over and over again, right? And you get to a point, if you're really systematizing your business, you won't really have to do much at all. And I think that is, for me, the most boring part of this appliance and plumbing business that I own and operate. Now, I very rarely go out to do jobs. I very rarely do that. But when I do, like I did a couple of days ago, it just reminds me that the trades are good because there are people out there that live in the United States and all over the world who would rather, one, pay somebody to come and do a job for them, or two, have no clue whatsoever on how to repair things, fix things, install things at all. Okay, so this is a beautiful business that is simple. So now break it down. I have an appliance repair and plumbing business, and I've been operating in the plumbing space now for a few months, and I'm gonna break down my second version of similarities. So first, in the other video, you watched the similarities. Now, my second thing that I noticed when it comes to appliance repair and plumbing, the urgency is different, okay? So with plumbing calls, typically they want you right there, or they want you to come out in a couple of days. They're few and far between things. So either the house is flooding or they want you to come out and give you an estimate on rerouting some pipes. And that's basically what it comes down to. Those are going to be your customers. Those are the people that you're going to have to service. So, and even when you're dealing with the home warranties, right? So we also deal with home warranties on the plumbing side and the appliance repair side. So when you're dealing with those type of customers, it's typically on the plumbing side, you're going to have to go out to them, and when you get there, you're going to have to assess the job just like you would do on the appliance repair side. But then at the same time, you got to understand that the coverages are a lot more complex on the plumbing side than it is on the appliance repair side. Now, after going through this now and understanding the big differences, we are beginning to put systems into place. And I tell you, once the systems are in place, the questions that I get on a day-to-day, what's covered, what's not covered, are we doing the estimates correct? The system, it's built around the process, okay? So as we develop our process for each of those individual warranty companies, how we handle our COD plumbing calls, the process is refined, and we build those systems around that could help people do the job quicker. It can help them stay out of trouble but not doing something that they shouldn't be doing. And then at the same time, it gives measurable, trackable things, so that way as your business grows and things go from point A to B, you can have a way to control things and understand where they are as far as the process. So that way you can have confidence that one person who's doing one thing is going to do it the same exact way as another person. So prime example, when you're scheduling or booking calls in the appliance repair, we like to make sure we get the brand, the model, right? How old, the age, the type, send some pictures. When it comes to plumbing, we don't care about the model of the toilet. We don't care about the brand of the toilet. There's no way that it matters about a water heater that stopped working or is leaking we're trying to get to that sucker ASAP so we can get it changed out, get them back to where their whole house is not impacted. So it's a whole different type of call triage when you're talking with the customers. It's a different type of urgency, but at the same time, the process is the process. And once the process is set, it's either you're growing or, through at a fast, hyper pace, or you're just growing naturally in the community. But regardless of what you're doing, it's just gonna get repetitive and boring. So, but the big benefit of actually owning your business, and I can one day just say, hey, you know what? I'm just gonna start driving around in the truck, going on calls. And I don't necessarily have to focus on what's going on in the back office, right? Now, you may be thinking to yourself, like, I'm trying to get out of the truck. Sounds like you're trying to get back in the truck. No, I'm not trying to get in the truck. I'm just trying to make sure that when I'm running a business, one, it's satisfying for me, right? But two, that all of my people, everybody has enough work. We're getting paid, right? To be able to, pay for their bills. Think about it, gas prices are just soaring out of this world right now. So if we don't have our hand on the pulse of what's going on in the community, then hey, and quite frankly, I got the time. So, and I love going out and fixing stuff and solving problems, getting my hands dirty. But at the same time, I love building businesses, building processes, putting systems around it. But sometimes once the systems are all built, it can become boring. And I think that's when I get into trouble when I start to build new things and break stuff. But at the end of the day, it kicks off cash. We bring in customers. We have a price book, price points at certain prices. We know what our costs of what our materials and our labor is going to be. And we know, especially for all our different types of repair, how long it's going to take, so we make sure we're priced accordingly for that. And at the end of the day, we make a repeatable margin at the end, right? And that's what you're in business for, is so it can be repeatable and producible. But at the end of the day, if you own a appliance repair business and you're struggling to get bored in your business, go ahead, go to appliancebosscourse.com, join my coaching program. If not, you can click a link and you can find a couple of the modules that you can purchase as you build up, okay? So, hey, thanks for watching this video, short video today, but I just want to share, it's boring out there some days, but ain't nothing like being bored than being broke. So keep your pockets full of green. I don't know, I'm trying something new. All right, it's your boy, I'm out, peace.